Morning, 8:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm XRP, future millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. It's a little cooler out today. It's raining a little bit. We've got, be a lot hotter this afternoon in the 90s, but right now it's slightly cooler. I wanted to thank everybody for tuning in. I'm exhausted from yesterday and the day before, but I'm here bright and early, back at it, keep everybody on the same page. But I want to start out with this. 3 reasons why XRP price could drop 60% and still have the best returns for the next bullish cycle. So that's what I'm saying. XRP is going to be a huge player once we have this big drop, and it's going to happen one way or another. XRP price has slipped 36%. And guys, I'm going to play the intro. Hit that motherfucking like button. I'm going to give you plenty of time to hit it. Let's get over the 100, 150, 200 likes. No more slacking. I do a lot of work. I implore you, hit that like button. And if you see your YouTube page is gray, turn it from red to gray. Hashtag turn it gray. If you're gray, you're subscribed to my channel. If it's red, you are not. Morning. Yeah. Oh, Taco Fest. Oh, very nice. Lots of tacos. That's good. Exactly. Okay, welcome back, everybody. So, XRP price, and make sure to hit that like button. It really does help, gets us through the analytics, and make sure to share this far and wide on social media. Let's get more people in here. Let's try to push towards 15,000 subscribers. So, it's my next goal. So, the bottom for the remittance token XRP price has slipped 36% below the 200-week SMA. Simple moving average, suggesting a full-blown bear market. The bottom for the remittance token could occur anywhere between 0.035 to 0.0093. Oh, baby. If Ripple bottomed around 0.0093, the return would be a mind-boggling 35,000% if it heads back to the all-time high at 331. That's what I'm saying, guys. At some point, we're going to retest that in the future. So, FX Street's a lot of bullshit, some good, but this is an article that I personally think could happen. XRP price has long been stuck in the battle between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Ripple. The announcement of the lawsuit caused a massive setback to the altcoin, leading to a 60% crash in roughly 2 weeks. Since then, the remittance token has not had a good time in terms of returns. With the start of the bear rally, things could get much worse before they could get better. So let's explore the worst case scenarios before looking at the bullish outlook. XRP price and the worst that could unfold. XRP price and technicals will provide a succinct understanding and probable outcomes or expectations. The chart attached below contains the volume profile indicator overlaid on the 2-week price chart of XRP. From a price action perspective, Ripple has shattered the 200-week simple moving average SMA, suggesting the start of a bearish trend. With Bitcoin price looking to crash even deeper, there is a good chance Ripple could breach the would open the path for the token to would breach immediate support level at 32.2. Such a development would open the path for the token to retest the volume point of control since 2017. Point of control is the highest volume traded level for the prescribed time and is currently hovering at 18.8. Hence, from a conservative outlook, this barrier could serve as a bottom if none of the external factors are considered. SEC versus Ripple and burgeoning recession concerns. However, let's take a closer look at things that could affect this bottom formation. The SEC versus Ripple lawsuit has been ongoing since December of 2020 and could make or break XRP's price. Since we're exploring the worst case scenario, let's assume that the SEC wins the battle, which would make XRP a security token and not a commodity. This situation could cause crypto exchanges to list and panic investors into selling their such holdings. Such a development would surely disregard the technical support levels and could potentially crash XRP price way lower. The second reason is the way that central banks are ramping up interest rates to counter the effect of inflation. This move has alarmed many investors and economists who have voiced their concerns that a continuation of this move from the central bank could trigger a recession. Assuming a full-blown recession hits the U.S., it's as likely the effects will follow to Europe and the rest of the world, which could trigger a selling frenzy in traditional markets and any risk on assets, including cryptocurrency. Such a development could also trigger a massive crash in the crypto markets, which could potentially crash XRP much lower than the POC at 0.188. Considering these two outlooks, let's take another look at the XRP price. If the 18.8 barrier is broken, the next support level is around 13.4, which is the last line of defense for two reasons. Beyond this level, there is a massive price inefficiency extending up to 0.0625. The volume profile thins out considerably, adding credence to the inefficiency outlook. Therefore, a breakdown of 0.134 could trigger a 54% crash to 0.0625 and 0.0359. Interesting, there is another gapping inefficiency extending from 0.0359 to 0.0093. Assuming the inefficiency extending from 0.0359 to 0.0093 is barrier remains intact, this level could be the bottom. But if the sell-off continues, come on, go. But if the sell-off continues, there's a good chance that XRP price could reach 0.0093. It is all about perspective, pessimism, or opportunity. For the majority of the investors, a crash to 0.0359 or 0.0093 could be a fatal blow to their portfolios. However, a bright side for this massive bloodbath is the patient market participants will get to buy XRP price at a massive discount. Now, such a massive crash in altcoins can happen due to two reasons, as explained below. But for XRP price, a nosedive to 0.0093 cannot happen without Bitcoin price also supporting this down move. Regardless, this massive leg down could mark the end of the bear cycle and suggest the start of a new one. As the recession starts to seed and inflation rates are at the central bank's approved levels, quantitative tightening will come to a halt, which would allow investors to step back in and turn in the wheel for the economy. While this is one of the reasons a massive recession-fueled crash could be the key in undoing the high correlation that exists between the stock market and the crypto space, decoupling of these two markets would put the uncorrelated asset thesis back into investors' minds, which would cause capital to flow into the markets, again triggering the start of a new cycle. If, and this is a big if, XRP price even heads back to $1 from the 0.093 bottom, it could represent a 10,629 gain. A move to $2 would represent a 21,359% return on investment, and a retest of all-time highs at 331 would yield a 35,490% reward, assuming we went down to 0.093. So that's what I'm saying. We have major opportunities with XRP. So if we get to 9.3, it's going to be beautiful. To the naysayer suggesting that this crash to 0.093 seems unlikely, the returns would still blow your mind. If the XRP price bottom around 0.0359, investors that purchased XRP price at this level could stand to see 9,139% if the remittance token returned to its all-time highs at 331. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That's just both sides of the equation. So while I'm on, let's take a look at the charts. I wish I would have woke up, literally. I wish I would have woke up to see Ethereum. I woke up and it had already started. I wish I would have broke up 1.5 hour candle earlier. I wish I would have woke up when we were up here. I did not wake up until we came all the way down to this candle. I woke up, it was 1,106. I considered buying it, but I didn't have any rhyme or reason to buy it. It would have just been taking a shot. And I decided not to do it. So with XRP, we look like we're filling out this ascending triangle beautifully. It looks like we need to come back down to support. We've got support at 31,250. If we break that, we come all the way down to 28,666, and that's when we could start getting interesting. It doesn't necessarily look like we're about to break down. If you look at the DXY, it's exploded. So is it more likely we continue in the DXY? We're going to have some kind of retest after this explosion. We'll see, but that looks like it's starting a bear or a bull flag. Crypto looks like it's starting a bear flag. Risk assets look like they could get hammered today. And crypto is amongst the largest risk asset of them all because it has no earnings. Bitcoin's doing this M-topping reversal. We broke this very key uptrend. This is interesting. So Bitcoin's breaking this uptrend as we speak. We're starting a bearish cross in the 30 minutes, so this could come down way farther. If this breaks this, Bitcoin will come down to this first support level at 18,951 roughly, 17,798. 16,900 in perfect succession if it does break down. So that's what you're looking for. XRP, if it breaks down, like I said, you break that uptrending support, you're going to come down to about 28.6. There is a stopping point at 30 cents as well. So pay attention, be alert. I'll be back shortly.